Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below so that I know you stopped by. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig that was sent to me from HerGivenHair. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I'll be working with today is in the style Embrace My Coily Life. The hair texture is coily, which mimics a 3C to 4A curl pattern. The length is 18 inches, and this wig has been fully colored for me. The cap construction is a 13x1 lace wig with a deep center part, and this is a T-part wig. The knots come fully bleached, and the hairline comes pre-plucked. The lace is transparent. T-part wigs get their name from their cap construction. They're literally shaped like the capital letter T. The cap construction includes 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. Straight out of the package, immediately I noticed that the hairline has been fully customized for me, which is great news because that means if you are a beginner, you do not have to do any additional customizations. Although the hairline comes pre-plucked for us, I am going to go the extra step to do the beige method of zigzag plucking and parting to get rid of some of that extra density along the hairline. This step is always optional. Because this is a T-part wig, you only get about a ½ inch of parting space surrounding your hairline. So you want to make sure that when you are doing any type of plucking surrounding the hairline that you're not going too deep, because if you over pluck, you'll be able to see the tracks that start behind the lace. Okay, so I know why you're here. You're here to see exactly how I curled this hair with paper bags. So let's jump right into the styling process. So grabbing one of the paper bags and a pair of scissors, I am going to cut 4 strips out of each paper bag. I'm just going to eyeball an inch of a section and then pre-cut. Doesn't have to be precise. It really doesn't have to be even or perfect, but you want to make sure that you get about 4 strips per bag. If you want smaller curls or bigger curls, you would of course change the measurement or width of each strip. I got these paper bags for 50 cents from my local grocery store, but you can of course use the free paper bags from the grocery store. You don't have to purchase any. Pre-cutting each strip is easier because now all I have to do is follow that line straight upwards. Grabbing one of the strips that I just cut, I am going to cut it into 2 parts. So if we cut 4 strips in one bag, the 4 would now become 8. So now I'm just going to fold each strip in half. Okay, so we will be styling this hair while damp or wet. We all know if we apply water to a paper bag or water to paper, it will rip and tear, and we don't want that to happen. So, of course, we want to make this into a waxy type of material so that it can hold up and curl the hair. The next thing that I'm going to grab is shea butter or hair grease, whichever you have on hand, and fully coat each of these rollers. I'm calling them rollers, but of course we know that they're a paper bag strip. We're going to fully coat each of the paper bag strip with that shea butter or hair grease, and that's going to prep us for install. Grabbing this beautiful wig, I am going to section it off, spray it with water, use a detangling comb to detangle each section. And then I'm going to grab a curling gel and start to twist the hair. Okay, it's time for the fun part. When I'm finished each twist, I'm going to grab the paper bag strip. I'm going to use the paper bag as a perm rod or flexi rod replacement. So using that paper bag, I am just going to twist the hair from the bottoms on upwards, and then when I get to as long as I want the curl to be, I am going to tie that paper bag. I can show you this process way better than I can explain it, so keep watching. So now that I've completed the entire head, I'm going to allow this wig to air dry overnight. The next morning, it's time to remove these twists and paper bag strips. Grabbing each twist, I'm going to release that tie that I did with the paper bag and then unloosen that curl and then untwist the hair. Okay, so depending on how voluminous you like your curly froze, you can either separate it in two sections or you can fully separate it the way that I am about to do it. I love volume, I love big hair, I love like large afros. So I'm going to grab each twist and I am going to unloosen the twist and then I am going to keep separating the strands so that I can have a very full end result. Just keep in mind that by separating each twist the way that I am doing, it does promote frizzy hair. I love frizzy hair. It doesn't bother me at all. However, I do have some oil on hand and I will be going over each part of the twist just to make sure that I do keep the frizz at bay. But in order to get big hair, you cannot really avoid the frizziness. Hey, babe. Okay, so now it's time to install this wig. Because this is a T-part wig, it's super easy to install. You can do this glueless, but I am going to use Got2b Ultra Glued Freeze Spray for temporary wear. The first thing that I'm going to do is prep my hairline by using 70% alcohol. Then I'm going to grab Scalp Protector and apply that to my hairline. After allowing both of those products to dry, I'm going to grab the wig and try it on. And then I'm going to spray that Got2b Freeze Spray to my hairline, put my headscarf on, and allow it to set. Removing my headscarf, I noticed there are some hairs that stuck together. To get rid of that, I'm going to apply a light hold gel to those areas and then just brush it backwards. Grabbing a pair of scissors, I'm going to cut away that extra lace, then do baby hairs, put my headscarf on, allow the baby hairs to set, and I'll show you guys the final look. here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links to this beautiful, beautiful wig that I received from HerGivenHair down below in the description box. So don't forget to check down below for more information. Let's chat about this wig down below in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a comment down below so that I know you stopped by, and give this video a thumbs up for more of them. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Thank you.
It looks gorgeous. Lift up the side all the way. Let me see. So you just did the baby hair in the top part and that's it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Beige, yeah, that's right. It's beige,